Hi, beloveds. If I could go back in time, what would I tell myself? I would tell myself three main things. Okay, the first one would be house hack before you have kids. So what is house hacking? Well, it's when you buy like a multifamily property and you live in one unit where you rent out the others. This way your tenants pay the mortgage and you get to build equity. And you can do the same thing even in a single family house where, let's say, you stay in the master bedroom and you rent out the rooms. It's the same concept. I wish I would have done that. My first property, I had a 2-bedroom condo, and it was a liability because I wasn't making money from it, and I couldn't really rent out the rooms. I needed another room for my office. I wish I would have done differently. Yeah, I really would. And then I did write my second property, but I just wasted all that time and money on the first property. Shouldn't have done that. Second thing I would have done, I would tell myself to use all of my day job money to invest in assets, not liabilities. So assets, those are things that make you money. And when you have assets, you have more freedom to choose what day job you actually want. You can choose a day job you enjoy regardless of how much money it makes or doesn't make. This is the value of using your day job money to invest in assets, because then you don't have to rely on your day job to pay your bills or to pay all of your bills. And that's a good thing. It's great to have freedom in terms of the career you want, not having to worry about how much you will make or how much you won't make. The third thing I would go back and tell myself is that brick and mortar businesses are unnecessarily risky, and just don't do it. There are way too many better options out there, and brick and mortar businesses, they require rent and all kinds of expenses, all kind of like legal stuff. And why do that when you could just run a business from home? And okay, let's say if you are going to have a brick and mortar business, then be the landlord, own your own building. So that's some things I would go back and tell myself. So all right, beloveds, I hope that was helpful, and I'm curious, if you could go back in time, what would you tell yourself? I'd like to hear that. Take care. Bye-bye.